Hello, everyone. The second part of our video about adaptive and responsive design is about making mobile menu. Today, what are we going to do is after pressing on that hamburger, mobile menu will appear from the right edge. So let's get started. And the first thing here, as usual, we are going to create its markup. Well, so here we go, right directly in body. To create that thing. Mobile. Inside, we'll put our links. I mean, these links, yeah. And well, we will get a logo type there and so on. And we will get this menu with that logo type, with that cross just to close that menu and those links to follow, yeah. Okay, what are we going to do next? Right here, I'm going to create that mobile menu top, so-called upper part. So here I'm going to put my logo type, logo wrapper, mobile. Yeah, and my button, close. That's a thing. And what else? Mobile menu links we will create. Like this and like this. Mobile. Well, what do we get here? Oh, by the way, where is that? Yeah, here we go. This is our mobile menu, right? So we will make it with fixed or responsive width. So let's create it. Let's start making that. Before our media queries, file menu. File menu. Its position is position absolute. Then it's by the way, let's just use that body. If I use position relative, nothing will be broken. I hope the same. Let's switch here. And then mobile menu position absolute. Then well, it's top 0. By the way, we can use position fixed. Yeah. Then top 0. Right. Minus 100%. Yeah, now it has gone there. We cannot see that, but as for now, let's change it 0 like this. Then its background color, white. Oh, white, sorry. Next, its width. we can use minimum width and maximum width. Let's just try. Minimum width is that value, and the maximum maybe this. Or, let's just start from fixed width, and we'll try to use some minimum and maximum values as well. Okay, like this. Then what else? Let's put container inside of it as well. Like it should be for every separate section here. Okay, that's great. Now, then mobile menu, top logo, mobile menu top. It should be logo wrapper here without mobile suffix, like this. Yeah. Then mobile menu top should go display flex content space between. We cannot see our button, by the way. I mean that button close, because we set transparent background. But right now we'll create it. Close. Well, close. Okay. Position absolute. And then take something from here. Display block. Okay, let's do that. Things. Fixed absolute. Top 11. And then we should create two pseudo elements, these stripes. By the way, let's adjust background color. Let it be black as for now. Oh, black. Yeah, here we go. It's black. Then it should be, oh, I'm sorry. It should have equal width and height. It should be square. Oh, like this. Yeah, that cross. And for that thing, we'll create. It's close after. Oh, double column after. And then, yeah, position absolute. The same properties, background color, that color. By the way, content. You see, yeah, now we've got it. But it should be like 15 pixels. Height. Yeah, that's it. Let's center it. 50% left, 50% transform, translate, -50%, -50%. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. And right now we should rotate it. Transform, translate, and rotate. Maybe 45 degrees. Yeah, here we go. And then we should create the same thing, but before. And then -45 degrees here. Ta-dam, ta-dam. Now I don't need background color. Close. Yeah. That's it. That's another button. And where's our close? Here is our close. That index. Oh, it's not about close. It's mobile menu. Yeah, background color, and then that index. Maybe 10. Yeah, that's it. Let's make some paddings for it. Padding from the top and from the bottom, maybe 11 pixels and 0, like this. That's great. So here is our mobile menu right now. Yeah, here we go. Container, that's great. Then let's adjust our links. Navigation A, mobile. Like that. By the way, for all the links, let's apply font family. I suppose it's not inherited as well. And let's use following things. Display block. Then what's next? We can also use margin 0 auto. It doesn't work. No, we don't need it. Text align center. Yeah, that's great. Then color. Other side. Size. Copy it from here. Font weight. Margin bottom. About 40 pixels. And last child without margin. And some margins from here. About 40 as well. Yeah. Top. It's top. And then, it should be. What about its height? VH. Oh, VH. This. Yeah, that's great. And after it, we should not scroll. We should not allow appear some scroll after it appears. We can just use just a second. No, that's great. We will use it using JavaScript. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's right now return our right parameter minus 100%. It has gone to the left now. Okay. Let's start coding our JavaScript script. Yes. Then let's plug it in the end of our body script. Script. Now I need console. Let's check this out. Console. Hi. Yeah, it works. So the first thing, constant hamburger. Hamburger, where is that? Yeah, here it goes. Right now I'm going to create a variable using const command. I'm declaring a variable using document query selector, and let me use some identifier for it. Hamburger, the same. Is that all right? Let's just try to console log my. Yeah, that's it. That's the button. By the way, I can use that code. I will get the same result. But just to save my space, just to decrease the size of my code, I'm going to use variables like this. I can use that piece of code, or I can use that small, just a single word instead of that code. Yeah. So that's why I'm declaring variables, just to save my size of code. Well, let's go next. I just want to use identifier for mobile menu using camel case. That's the style for scripts. Well, the same thing, but for mobile menu. Is that all right? Let's check this out. Yeah, mobile menu, here we go. That's it. Then I just want to press that button, and my property of mobile menu right minus 100 will turn into 0. That's the thing I should make. Okay, let's go. Hamburger, add event listener. That's method. Event, click, and then some function. Okay, I can use function, then its arguments, its parameters, and then the action that it should make. But I can use arrow function. It's acceptable for not named function. I can delete that word function and put here something like arrow. Yeah, that's why it's called arrow function. That's an alternative way to use anonymous function. Anonymous functions. Okay, so let's just try to use, for example, after clicking my hamburger, click. Yeah, I just want to use have some message in my console. Okay, let's just check this out. I'm clicking console. Yeah, hi. It works. Great. But next, what should I make? Mobile menu, style, and then style. All right. We can change styles using JavaScript, but I should use via dot to type style. Then right, and its property should become 0. 0. Okay, let's check this out. Ta-da! Yay, it works. Yay, it works. Great, but well, you know, I should use following thing like transition. Okay, let it be transition for right. And that time, let's check this out. Yay! Gradually appearing. Now, what should I make? I should use, I should create an event for close button. When I'm pressing this, my property right becomes minus 100% again. Yeah, okay, let's go. I just want to use a unique identifier for close. Where is that? Somewhere here. Yeah. Same thing. Declare a variable. Is that all right? I'm pressing here, and I've got my button close. Here we go. Okay. Close. Let's add event here. Click and mobile minus, but we should put that value into quotation marks. Okay, because it's not a number, and I mean that minus 100%. It's not a number for JavaScript. It looks like some text, and I feel that I'm leaving that value without quotation marks. If you see, it shows that there is something wrong. Okay, let's just use that again. Ta-dam, 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 ta-dam. Okay, that's great. Everything works just as we like it. And another thing, for example, let's just add something for our links. I just want to add some anchor link, anchor transition. For example, look, I have some link here, and I just want it to lead us to our section heading. Okay, let's add an identifier, for example, heading. Doesn't really matter how. And that link here will lead us here. And that link will lead us at the same place. Okay, let's just rename it. Heading and heading, right? And right now, let's take a look at our computer. And pressing here. Yeah, here we are, heading. But I want to make it in a smooth manner. Scroll behavior smooth, like this. Okay, let's go back. Heading. Yeah, I'm here near the heading. But after pressing that button, my mobile menu should disappear again. Okay. But after pressing any link, here, yes, my mobile menu should disappear, right? Okay, let's do that. Well, what should I make for it? I should choose all that links simultaneously. What should I make for it? Const the links mobile document query selector all, and by class. Yeah, that's it. And right now, if I want to take a look, what have I created? I'm using console. That's a really useful command for self-control. Oh, I'm sorry. Without quotation marks. Yeah, I've created node list, but I cannot add events for list. I can add events for the elements of that list. And to make this, I should type following code. Links mobile, then there is a method for each, which uses which adds something for every element of that node list. But please pay attention, it's all here, yes, without all and all. If I use that for all, I don't really know, will it work or not? Let's just try, will we get any, if I use all here, what will I get? No, it's not a function and event listener. Okay, let's delete it. We're using it for group of objects. Yeah. Okay, I can do that. Look. All, but that would be wrong. Close. Yeah, there's a mistake. Close. I have applied something for node list. If I delete it, okay, that's right. That's all right. Okay, then let's continue. For that links mobile, I'm using for each method. And then I'm using function, like this function. And here is one argument we need, item, or LM or item, doesn't really matter. Then the actions of this function. But as I already shown you, I can change it from word function into arrow, like this. Okay, for each item, look, let's take a look at the, what is item here? Item. Now we've got our links here. These are our links. These are our items. This is items. Okay. And for every item, right now, I should apply that code add event listener for every item. I should apply add event listener with the same code, I suppose. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Heading. Yes, I'm clicking on it. And my mobile menu disappears. For example, here I'm clicking here. But we're going here. All right. By the way, it leads nowhere. Look, after calling that mobile menu, I can scroll. Yeah, I'm scrolling down, and here I am at the bottom of my web page. So I'm scrolling and scrolling. Let's forbid that possibility. After we have called our mobile menu, write 0. After clicking on that button, let's use for our document query selector HTML tag style. And well, its style is overflow. Let's apply it hidden. Look, now I cannot scroll. But I cannot scroll now after it, yeah. Okay, let's, after pressing close button, after pressing that small cross, let's return it back, auto. Okay, I can scroll. I cannot scroll now. I'm pressing here. Okay, now I can scroll again. I cannot scroll. Scroll, yeah. Heading, yeah, that. Oh, well, yes, look, after I'm pressing my link, that's a bag, some kind of bag, yeah. I'm pressing my link, and that hidden doesn't disappear. So I should add that blob here as well to get rid of that property. I'm pressing any link. Yes, I can scroll. I can scroll. Pressing heading. Yeah, I can scroll here. All right. Okay, it's let's just check this out on our iPad screen. I'm pressing here. Yes, I cannot scroll right now. Press header. Here we are. Link. Okay, it disappears. It disappears. Okay, nothing happens when I'm pressing somewhere here around. Okay, by the way, and for computer, it disappears here. Yes, nothing happens here. Look, What else? What else? By the way, you can make that navigation fixed with fixed position, or we can also look if I'm using fixed position here and I'm pressing heading here. I just want it to be a bit above. So that's why I just going to use for every section. We can add any padding for a section. Look, for example, because it's not so beautiful, yeah. For example, here. It's mobile menu, section, padding top. Oh, about maybe pixels, isn't it? No, that's too small. Okay, let's just set 80 pixels. I suppose that's sufficient. Heading, yeah. Now that's much better, I suppose, isn't it? And for our iPads, what about it? Yeah, for iPads, that's great as well. And for our computers. Okay, I think that's appropriate as well. We can delete it, of course, for our computers, like here, yes. For example, heading top 0, yeah. Now it's without paddings. Yeah, section without paddings. I'm making it smaller. Now that's with a padding on the top. Okay, what else can we create? That's really sufficient for mobile menus. But look, we can also, let's just try our sizes with that. And what will I get? I think it will be 500 pixels, isn't it? I suppose. Yeah, that's what's right now. No, that's the same. Minimum width, maximum width. No, it doesn't work. This is minimum width, and that's all. Okay, of course, we can change it for mobile phones. We can make it a bit wider for tablets like this. Yeah, where is our? Yeah, here we go. With 500 pixels, why not? Yeah, now it's 500 pixels. I'll make it smaller. Yeah, before above this value, it becomes 320 as well. Right now it's 500 pixels. Yeah, we can create some overlay which appears here. For example, how can we create that? Let's just try. I don't really know, will it work or not? Mobile menu, here we go. We don't have any mobile menu before. content value, then position. Okay, let's create position fixed as well, and then let's position fixed, that's correct value for it. Top 0, bottom 0, right 0, left 0. Then that index, let's just set 9 maybe. Oh. Now, if I use background color for it, for example, where is it? That background color, but transparent. Yeah, that's it. Or that background color, yeah. Look, it's right, minus 100 as well. Or look, we can make following thing. We can create a separate division and call it as overlay. Empty. Like this. And right now it's display none. Yeah, we can press it. Then after we press here, its display becomes active, display block. And what will we get? I wonder. Let's just try through JavaScript, of course. We're pressing that button and overlay becomes display block like this. Okay. The first thing, of course, I'm going to use is identifier overlay. Then I'm going to use another constant variable, another constant, yeah. Overlay here. And after I'm pressing that button, hamburger, by the way, for HTML, I can create constant as well. Style, display, instead of none becomes block. And what will I get? Yeah, that's it. It's some kind of block screen, yeah. But of course, I should delete it after I'm pressing close button. And after I'm pressing any link. Yeah, that's it. Look, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I cannot scroll. Yes, now it disappears. Now it disappears. That's some kind of screen of block screen, or some kind of, it shows us that it's inactive. We cannot press anywhere here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, that's all for now for about mobile versions design and mobile menu. By the way, of course, you can create a link through that logo type here, but of course you should use some equal code for that link. After we press it, our mobile menu should disappear as well, and so on. These are details. Okay, so is everything all right? I hope everything is. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for your attention. Bye.